What's up, guys? So today in Animal Company, the digging update is finally here after a delay for 2 hours. So I'm going to give you a run through on what it kind of looks like and what new stuff we have. So first thing we're going to do is we've got a lot of new items. We've got a drill fist, an egg, a small truss, a polka dot palette, which is kind of ugly, I don't really like it, and some more googly stuff. Pretty cool and kind of cute. And I'm now going to show you the cosmetics. So all of the old bundles are gone now, and I'm going to show you the new ones with the chill bunny set. It's pretty cute, not gonna lie. I kind of like it. And we have a space monkey bundle based on Punch the Monkey. Here you get 10,000 coins, 3 monkey head variations, normal, angry, surprise, and a homemade alien suit with 3 color variations. And we have a PE set with it kind of looks like a girl or basically an old woman doing her curls and that. But yeah, as we're doing this, let's get right into the video. In 3, 2, 1, boom. So we are now in the new map, and now if you guys can honestly realise, the normal cave is right over here, so it's kind of more far, but pretty much there. Have fun with Buddy.
He's not a scammer, Black. He's not.
I don't even know what's going on with the server right now, but we are going to be excavating this, and like there's like this one monster that's just annoying, like it just flies. Kind of like a...
Yo, Cat, you have this laser... What?
So we're now in it actually, and
Somebody did a box for me. Somebody did a digging up there with me.
that is kind of squashed right now.
Guys,
So it's gonna...
guys, if you want to... Hard. Hey, dude, help us beat the... Hey, Green. Join me. I'm gonna join it now.
I'm actually...
What do you do now?
We're gonna dig this part. And then once we've done this part, and then,
He joined! Does anyone want to...
I need that carrot or... Don't steal it.
but what do the carrots do?
I don't know. It's give you look like the X-ray box, not the X-ray. It give you a nice network.
I think I found the spot. Okay, never mind.
Come on, jump on. What?
Wait, am I in it?
What you said? Don't kill me? Don't kill me. Oh, I have low items in my bag.
I think we went the wrong way. Yeah, we went
I
the
need
wrong
a
way.
carrot because it's giving me a nice...
Yeah, bro, we went the wrong way. We gotta go this way. Yeah, we definitely went the wrong way. Look, that's all rock, so we went the wrong way.
Yo, we mine! Come on! Yo, come on! We just mine!
Oh!
Here.
Oh, no, bad! Okay, come on. Guys, I'll go first. You guys wait, I'll go first.
Guys.
I'll do this, guys. Wait. Ah!
Yeah!
Guys, be careful. Guys, grapple onto something. I'm gonna keep on going. Oh, guys. You've almost done it. Just stay there. You've reached the end. We've got to go this way. This is where the playground is.
The party, yeah, looks like something
What
weird.
playground? Dude, you can come down now.
Yeah, you can.
Dude, my thing's too deep
Yeah,
for
it's
this.
funnier.
I got mine. Yo, in here.
Request a song and I'll play it. Request a song and I'll play it.
Hey, be careful.
As it was. As it was? Yeah, are you there for something to do? Navy, come to. Oh, my God,
Go, there, found it.
Yes. Yo. Almost perfected. Yeah, I was asking that for
Guys, follow me.
Yeah.
Guys, I brought a gun. Does anyone of you guys want my bag with the gun in it? Just in case, because the monster.
Me.
Okay, take the bag, coconut.
Yo.
It has pink ammo. Oh!
What is that? A new boss!
It's the shadow monster.
Guys, it's a new boss!
We need you. It's knee joints. Quick, attack! Ah!
Quick!
When it had a blue part, stay.
And I mean, it worked, but it didn't go so well.
Knee joints. Okay. Guys, we've done the first quarter. Run! Get out! Get away from the blue! Attack! Quick! Okay, go!
Again? I need to find.
Yo, that's different. I'm gonna wait for my. Use the crates! Open the crates up! Find your pick!
Where are you? Where's your go?
You can respawn, I promise! Your stuff will still be here to respawn!
It's just that every time I try to do it, I kill myself in the process.
Get your stuff! Come on, keep on killing! Use the ammo! Use the crates!
See, it just explodes me.
You can respawn! Bro, you can respawn! Bro, you can respawn! Oh my god, bro, why aren't you listening? You can respawn! You guys can oh my god, guys! You can respawn!
Request a song.
Does anyone want to?
You want? Request any song you want to.
Don't even say K-pop Demon Hunter. Does anyone want to defeat the boss one?
Yeah, go to sandbox quick, I need help.
Right.
chill, cat. Be careful! Go. You can respawn!
Okay, I'm gonna respawn. I have a...
I'm probably just gonna speed this up for you guys like 3 times.
Make way.
Yo, what is this?
Okay, now we've done that one. I've got to do this one. Yeah? Should I do this first?
Can I open the door?
Wait, we need 2 people to activate them at the same time. I'll do one and Cat too.
Yeah. 1.
Okay.
Wait.
Guys, 3,
1, 2,
1.
1. Yes!
No, guys, don't go in there. We don't go in there. We don't go in there. Guys, we don't go in there. Guys, we don't go in there. Guys, we're gonna have 2 minutes. We need bananas. We need bananas.
Yes! We got banana! I see a banana! I see a banana!
That's fat. Where was green? Where was green?
go with bananas.
Green?
Yeah, that one. In there. In there.
Yo, how did you do that?
In there. Cat, in there. Guys. Go. Go for it.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna take the F word. Can anybody help me to get the bomb boss? Can anybody help me to get the bomb boss? Can anybody help me to get the bomb boss?
No one's here. That's the wrong area.
Yo, guys, wait. We need to go. Just follow me. I know I'm about to get out of here. I'm getting out. Dude, that's mine. You can't steal someone's item. That's reportable.
Hey guys, you guys see green? You guys know what green is? What you guys do? You guys see green?
Hey, yo, howdy.
I will make you. This is a puzzle.
You guys got it connected.
Green! I've been looking for you the whole damn time, but you didn't see me call your name though?
Yeah, bro, we need it to point.
Yo, watch out.
Yeah. Don't move. Leave it like that. Okay. Last one.
Green, trap, had you, Green!
Yeah, I know.
Remember me?
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, yo, King.
Yeah.
Last one.
Oh, oh
Last
my
one
bad.
connects. Oh my god, stop moving it. Keep moving.
Like you want it.
Okay, so this is where the last thing is gonna be done. So once you've done that, you're gonna head your way over here, and after you kind of gotta look with it like that.
Oh my god. Shoot. We good.
Then you go up here, and then
Is that the moon map? Is that the moon map?
and then you make your way over here.
The moon map. The moon map. Oh my god.
And that is how you complete the shuttle bus.